This video is going to explain how to make a spinning fidget spinner skirt out of cardboard. First, you'll want to cut out your top and bottom profiles. I used a CNC router and laser cutter, but if you don't know how to do that, you can just print out a template and use an X-Acto blade. I have the CAD files linked in the description. Next, I created foam inserts using a CNC wire cutter. This is just to add additional stability to the costume, but is not absolutely necessary. Next, cut out 3 4x48 strips of cardboard. These pieces will wrap around the edges and connect your faces. Once you have all your parts, glue everything together with lots of clamps. While it's curing, go find a 5-gallon bucket. The lip on the top will provide a small ledge for the fidget spinner to spin around. All you need to do is cut off the top and lace some shoestring through one side so you can tie it on your waist like a corset. Finally, I cut out these small plywood arcs to hold all the pieces together and reduce friction against the bucket to maximize spinning power. They attach with Velcro so the wearer can easily take the costume on and off. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching this video.
This is like how you're feeling when you're pregnant.
Do more dance moves.
No, I'm not gonna be your model.
What?